Chapter 6 Pranamami Muda Introduction. As Sanskrit literature has been created in the gone centuries continuously, similarly in the present times, also Sanskrit literature is being continuously created. In this novel literature, subjects are new, knowledge is new, concepts are totally new. The literature being created in the modern time does not sometimes care much about the meters and the poetics, but in its madness for novelty, the old traditions have not been totally discarded. Even this most modern time literature is being created as per old tradition. Among such learned creators, famous son of Gujarat, Sri Bhagwati Prasad D. Pandya is in the front line. Sri Bhagwati Prasad, a resident of Raigad, situated near Himmatnagar, studied Sanskrit in his childhood, staying in Kashi. In those days, he presented his self-written poems in the Vidyasabhas organized in Kashi and continued to get the love of the learned people. Thereafter, after coming to Ahmedabad, he studied on modern system and taught Sanskrit language for years. In 1986, he retired from the post of professor in the Sanskrit department of the Gujarat University. Sri Bhagwati Prasad Pandya is an improvisator. He can write a poem in Sanskrit on any occasion or on a person. He is an expert in writing meter-based poems and has written some hymns of praise for his own happiness. He has also written some poems which can be sung in the modern style also. Here 6 poems written in the praise of goddess Sharda are selected. In these verses, first 3 are in Upjati meter and the rest are in Totaka meter. In the first poem, there is a fine miracle. Kumbhakarna praises Brahma. So the Brahma is pleased, but when Kumbhakarna asks for blessing from pleased Brahma, Mother Sharda, that is tactfully, makes him to speak instead of Indrasan. Such a Sharda is remembered. In the second and third poem, salutations have been presented by narrating Sharda's praises. Thereafter, in fourth and fifth poems, prayer has been presented for attainment of clean victory fame. In the sixth and last poem, again, salutations are presented to Mother Sharda. Yadeva detyah khalu kumbhakarna indrasanam kamiyate sa jihnam nindrasanam yachiyate yambava tam devraj pranuta smarami shvetap padmasana rajmanam divya prabham jnana gun pravaham सरस्वतीं सार सरस्वतीं ताम छात्रों नितांतम प्रणामामि देवीं मुदा धरमतीं स्फटिकाक्षमालां सदा हसंतीं विबला नेत्रां सुसंस्तुता भावुक भक्तिगीते छात्रो नितांति प्रणमामि देवीं वर्दे सुखंदे भयदे धंदे शरणागत रक्षण कार्यरते जगदीश्वरी देवी सरस्वती रे मयि धेय यशो धवलम विमलम भवताप हरे ललिते मधुरे श्रुति ज्ञान करे विदिते सुखदे भवभूति करे भवतुष्टि प्रदे मयि धेय यशो धवलम विमलम शूरवृंदते करुणा विद्युते मनसा वचसा हृदयेन सदा भवतो तत्सम तव पादयुगम प्रणमामि मुदा रुचिरे सरसे।